little bit bigger than that maybe. There. So we're going to make a tenon that's about that size. Just want to re-establish that again now. Maybe a little more. Okay, I'm happy with that now, so I'm going to put my chuck on there and we'll turn it around and scallop the inside out. Okay, so we just put our chuck on here, then put our bowl, set our bowl into the jaws, it's sometimes a good idea, I find anyway, to get your tailstock and just push it in like that. Helps the chuck draw it in. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. First job. Face this off. You notice there's a mark there at the center. Now, why you set your tool rest slightly below is because when you present the tool to the work, you see the cutting edge. This cutting edge, see it's halfway down in the, up in the tool, so it's roughly on center then. So when you present the cutting edge to the material, it's actually on the center of the material. That's why you set the tool rest slightly lower. Okay, so let's face this off. Okay, so now we're going to scallop the inside out. That little bowl is getting to look quite nice. One thing you've got to be careful of is not machining right through the bottom. Or machining through the side. The 350 to 400 grade.